Similarity and right angle triangle theorem. In a right angle triangle, if the altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse, then the two triangles formed are similar to the original triangle and to each other. Now, for proof, first draw the figure. See the figure. This is a triangle ABC. What is the given? First read the first line. In a right angle triangle, if the altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse. From this sentence and figure, write the given like this. In triangle ABC, angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Segment BD is perpendicular to segment AC, A dash D dash C. Now read the second line, that is after then. This is we want to prove. What is to prove? The two triangles formed are similar to the original triangle and each other. From figure we write to prove. Here triangle ADB similar to triangle ABC, triangle BDC similar to triangle ABC, and triangle ADB similar to triangle BDC. Now proof. From figure there is a three triangle, triangle ABD, triangle CBD and bigger triangle ABC. All three are right angle triangle. In triangle ADB and triangle ABC, here is the figure. Now separate these two triangles like this. Triangle ADB and triangle ABC. I place 1 over 1 like this. That is, A is perfectly matched to A. That is, angle DAB is congruent to angle BAC because common angle. Now separate again like this and place angle B over angle D perfectly match. Therefore, angle DAB congruent to angle ABC 90 degree each. Therefore, triangle ADB similar to triangle ABC according to AA test. This is the statement number 1. Now write this in this page. Now after that, in triangle BDC and triangle ABC, see the figure. In triangle there is a green triangle and blue triangle separately. These are the two triangles. I keep the C over C like this. Angle BCD is congruent to angle ACB because common angle. Now again separate it and replace the angle D over B like this. Perfectly matched. Therefore, angle BDC congruent angle ABC because 90 degree each. Therefore, triangle BDC similar to triangle ABC according to AA test. Therefore, triangle ADB similar to triangle BDC from statement 1 and 2. This is the statement number 3. From statement 1st, 2nd and 3rd, triangle ADB similar to triangle BDC similar to triangle ABC transitivity. Now see the theorem of geometric mean. Theorem of geometry mean, statement of that theorem: in a right angle triangle, the perpendicular segment to the hypotenuse from the opposite vertex is the geometric mean of the segment into which the hypotenuse is divided. Now see the figure. This is a right angle triangle PQR and QS is perpendicular to hypotenuse PR. Proof: in right angle triangle PQR, segment QS perpendicular to hypotenuse PR, triangle QSR similar to triangle PSR, because what is the reason behind it? Similarity of right triangle. Now from the above 1-to-1 relation QSR to PSQ, we can write it QS by PS equal to SR by SQ equal to QR by PQ, because the corresponding side of similar triangle are in proportion. Therefore, I write these two, QS by PS equal to SR by QS. Simply I replace the SQ by QS here. Now taking the cross product, Q S square equal to PS into SR, that is segment QS is the geometric mean